When it comes to deregulation, you're probably more familiar with how it works than you may realize. Case in point, up until the early 80s, the telecommunications industry was actually regulated by the government, meaning you couldn't choose your phone provider since there was only one available. Deregulation changed that. Not only did it allow for competitive pricing, but there was also a greater push for innovation. This led to tremendous leaps in technology and the advanced mobile phones that we've come to rely on today. Bottom line, deregulation gave consumers more choices when it came to their phone service. The same idea applies to the energy industry too. In states that are deregulated for energy, businesses and residents can choose who supplies their natural gas or electricity. Here's what that means. Your utility still delivers the energy to your office or home through their pipes and wires. The difference is, suppliers, unlike your utility, can offer more than just energy. They can provide specialized products that make the work you do or the life you lead a little easier. So what's the difference between utilities and suppliers? See, the utility is strictly focused on delivering the energy itself. Suppliers, on the other hand, purchase the natural gas and electricity directly from producers and customize a variety of products to meet the needs of their customers. Suppliers are able to do this because of market competition. It gives you more options. Think of it this way. If the telecommunications industry hadn't been deregulated, you'd still be wrapped up in a phone cord today. Choosing your energy supplier is similar. Doing so allows you to take advantage of the wide variety of products and services that are customized to your home or business. In other words, you're not limited to working with your utility. Sure, energy is a commodity, but it's often these additional products and services which complement the natural gas or electricity that can set a supplier apart. Not only that, but their focus on customer care can differ widely. It's these quality suppliers that place an emphasis on service, continued innovation, and diverse products that gives them staying power. These suppliers make lasting relationships built on trust and transparency. IGS has over 1 million happy customers to prove it. It pays to know your options. To learn more, please visit us at igs.com.